Hey y'all, and welcome back to another tutorial with me, Lee of Wine Down with Lee. As you saw from the thumbnail, we're gonna get into these lashes, wink wink, today. Now, I ain't no pro, but I can get the job done, okay? And that's what we're gonna do today. We are going to get the job done, giving you a detailed eyelash tutorial on how I put on my lashes. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching the video. And as always, if this is your first time here on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you are notified when new videos go up. And if you are a return watcher, thank you as always. I appreciate you and you know it, okay? Now y'all leave me some comments below on how this goes and I'll see y'all at the end. All right. Okay, y'all, these are one of my favorite lash strips, the I Envy by Kiss. It's the C curl, not to be confused with the J or the L curl, okay? These are very lightweight and they have an invisible band. I mean, they're the closest that I found to lash extensions to date. Now, typically when you're looking at the lashes in the tray, your right hand side is your left eye and vice versa. When you're taking the tweezers out of the package, be very careful because you do not want to rip these bad boys, okay? We paying coins for these things. This is exactly how you will hold your lashes for the application. You're going to hold it close to the band and in the center. There is a light coat of glue on most lashes. You see this part? This is the front side with the shorter hairs. This part, the back side, typically has more fluffy and long hairs. Now here I'm using my tweezers to remove the glue. You see this piece on the end? I'm going to cut that piece off the band because it's a little bit too long. I forgot to show you how to measure the lashes and make sure that they're the right size for your eyes. Just make sure that when you're cutting from the back of the eyelash, not the actual front of the eyelash. Now, typically I use the duo lash glue with the green wording because it dries clear, but I found this adhesive in my drawer and I was like, what the heck? I might as well try and use it. Plus, I like the applicator. After you apply the duo lash glue to your band, make sure that you wait about 30 seconds or until it gets really clear and tacky before you actually apply it to your eye, because if you apply it too soon, it's going to be messy. If you apply it too late, then you're just going to be restarting the process. And ain't nobody got time for that. When you're starting, make sure you look down, but don't close your eyes, okay? Look into a small mirror or you can use your big mirror, but just look down. And then you're going to place the lash in the center of your eyes and press firmly, okay? And make sure that it stays in place. Then you can use your fingers or tweezers, whatever you feel comfortable with, to press either end, onto your eye. Make sure they actually stay there. You want to put them close to your eyelids and try not to make them touch the actual hairs on your actual eyelashes, because you don't want to pull out your hairs when you get ready to take them off. I like using my lash therapy tweezers because they're pointy and they're like my fingertips and I have more control. So once I actually get them in place, I do press my natural lashes into the strip lashes, just like a grilled cheese sandwich, got to make sure that they're together. Now, once placement is sealed, I go back in with my eyeliner to make sure that, everything is nice and flowy, everything looks good. I also take my mascara under my lashes, under my natural lashes, just to make sure, that the lashes blend together. You can do this before, but I like to do it afterwards because sometimes I don't do this because I can apply my lashes very seamlessly, and voila, this is it. Your lashes are done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope I explained everything where you can actually understand it. If you have any further questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button on your way out, and come on back now, you hear?